video is a little bit different because I have someone here with me. I'm trying to do a bit of a formulating with friends type thing, so I'll let her introduce herself.
Hello, my name's T and I'm a taxidermist and I'm a little bit obsessed with keeping things alive forever.
We're making something a little bit special today. I'm not making any promises here.
That's not what you told me.
This is obviously a joke, so please don't take this video too seriously. I don't want any comments like this isn't working. We're not promising you internal youth, but we are going to dupe the serum from Death Becomes Her. If you've not seen that movie, I suggest you go and watch it now and then come back to this video. The serum aims to hydrate skin and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. We're possibly a little bit old to be doing a age-stopping serum now. We probably should have done it a good few years ago.
No, what are you talking about? We're 21.
Yes, sorry, I forgot. So yes, T's going to be making the serum. I'm going to be telling you a bit about the ingredients. So let's get making. The first ingredient that T's going to weigh out is propandiol.
Thank you.
Now, propandiol is a humectant, and you can use glycerin instead if you want, but propandiol is just that little bit lighter, so it's a bit nicer for serum.
Thank you.
Have one of those.
Thank you. That will probably help me, yes.
It will. Yeah, it's a less sticky option for serum, so it's more pleasant feeling on the skin.
This could take a while.
It's fine. I should note that T hasn't formulated with me before, so...
Or indeed at all.
Or at all. So there's that. The next ingredient we need is hyaluronic acid.
Lovely.
I'll give you...
Can I just pour it in from here and then scrape the rest out, or...?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm using sodium hyaluronate in this, which is a high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, so that gives us some viscosity to the serum. It's also a powerful humectant and it smooths and softens the skin.
I don't know a whole lot about this stuff, but I do know that I like hyaluronic acid a lot.
Well, fingers crossed it'll reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
We like that.
I especially need that.
You and me both. Okay. I haven't quite managed to get all of that out of there.
You have to.
I have to, I will.
Our eternal youth depends on
it. Don't worry, I'm on it. I'm on the case. I will get it done.
If you want to make your own hyaluronic acid gel, then all you need is high molecular weight hyaluronic acid powder with some water, and then you pour that on top and then you leave it overnight. And if you want to see the exact quantities and everything, I do have a video on how to make that elsewhere on my channel. Next ingredient. Water. Specifically distilled water, because we don't want any horrible bacteria. Right, newly sanitized beaker, just in case she overpours.
Which she probably will. I can't. You might have to tell me when.
Now
right,
you can
put that in there, yeah?
pour it into the main beaker, and then you get to stir.
Ooh. This brings back memories of being at school in chemistry class when rather more explosions than were supposed to happen happened.
Oh yeah, that did happen.
Okay.
And you just mix that together now until it all gets thoroughly combined. You know how I love to say that. And you see it all go clear or something.
Yeah, I can see what she means, because like I can still see the gel, even though everything is clear, like water clear, I can still see that the gel hasn't quite mixed with the water yet.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to keep stirring until I can't see wavy lines in there anymore, because that's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like wavy lines of gel in water.
While you do that, I'm going to prepare the next ingredient.
Excellent, good plan.
So the next ingredient is Wooo extract, which I get from aromantic.co.uk.
What is that?
Well, I'm glad you asked. So Wooo extract, not that I'm reading off a sheet of paper or anything. improves skin appearance, making it look brighter and healthier to give a more uniform complexion.
We like that.
Yeah.
We like that a lot.
And if you combine it with one of the other ingredients that I'm including in this serum, it brings extra conditioning to the skin.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I'm trying to be careful not to ding-a-ling-a-ling over you when you're talking.
Sorry.
I'm considerate, aren't I?
You are.
I don't know.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Not a lot of people say that about me.
No. I know. I think that'll be good now.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You can put that
ding-a-linging
on there. So this is the Wooo extract, and here is a pipette.
Thank you so much.
Just tear the scales between your ingredients. I should note all these ingredients are supposedly water soluble.
Thus far, it would appear they are.
Yes. Then the next ingredient, which I'm going to show you while tea's stirring, is liftonin, which is a really weird word.
Does it do what it says on the bottle?
Well, let me tell you. It revitalises skin and it helps to even skin texture. It gives a cosmetic lifting effect.
So it does.
Resulting in smoother and brighter skin appearance.
Fabulous. The fabled facelift in the bottle.
Oh yes. Right. Okay.
Okay.
You may add the liftonin.
The facelift. Okay.
Anticipation. Now you may stir while I tell them about the next ingredient, which is lupine peptides. Ooh. Again, all of these are from aromantic.co.uk, not affiliated, but that's just where I got these. And lupine peptides promote and maintain healthy skin, and combined with hyaluronic acid, they help to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So we're going all in on the reducing of the fine lines and wrinkles here, guys.
If I don't look like a baby by the end of this, I'm going to be really annoyed.
All of these ingredients I've chosen because combined with other ingredients, they work quite well. Supposedly, we shall see.
The concentration.
I know. It does help to have an accurate scale.
Yeah, I have scale envy right now. Oops, went a little bit over there, but only a tiny bit.
Okay, and you can stir. You've seen me use this a million times before. The last ingredient will be Salagard PCG, which is a broad spectrum preservative, because we have water in this serum and we don't want it to go horrible, because this needs to last us a long, long time, especially if we're going to live forever.
Which we are.
Yes. Right, you may add our preservative.
Thank you so much. Do we have Bruce Willis on speed dial?
He's on the Ring doorbell.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, and now stir for the final time. So now we've done mixing, we're going to use our containers, for which I have these, which are actually lip gloss tubes.
They're so cool.
They're the closest I could get to the film.
Yeah.
So this is what we're going to film. They're all sanitized, they're all fine, and to use the serum we'll just dip in the wand and lip gloss it on our face, because why not?
Well, exactly.
So yeah, would you like to do the pouring?
Yeah. Have you got a funnel for me or something? Or am I just going to pour it in with that?
Do you want a funnel?
I'm making myself out to sound like I've got absolutely no motor control at all, and I do, so I'll try and do it nicely.
I'll hold it for you.
I don't know, maybe if I hold it, I might have more control over what I'm doing. I don't know. I don't know.
You can do the first one.
Yeah, we'll see how badly I screw. I'll have this one if this gets messed up.
Okay.
Can I put that on there?
Let's do this, yeah.
Okay, cool. Alrighty.
You can do it. Just leave space for the wand.
Yeah, I can't quite see.
I think
that's up to about there, I think.
I think we're good. Let's pop that in and...
Yeah, I think we're all right.
Truth. Your vial of serum.
Wow, look at that. Oh my god.
Show the camera.
So exciting.
Show the camera.
So exciting.
Let me focus it.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
How cool is that? Wow. Ta-da.
Ta-da. Right.
That is the best container. I love that. The fact that you found something that
you've
close.
Even got a little...
I know, I noticed that. I want to wear it around my neck. Secret.
It's secret.
Well, gold, darling.
Okay, well, shall I try pouring one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You watch. You're going to have done it better than me. Ooh, there we go. That was quick. I did it too. Ta-da. Woo. Cheers.
Cheers.
To eternal youth.
Yes. Do not drink it.
If you would like to make this eternal youth serum, we have decided we will share the formula with you. I know we're that kind. It's on Patreon. You can join it with the link below, and you can make this for yourself
and live forever.
And live forever.
Yes, fantastic.
Thank you for coming on the channel.
Well, thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
If I end up looking anything like Isabella Rossellini, I'll be so happy.
Oh, who knows? Check back with us in 100 years. Speak of this to no one.
I can't get old. There needs to be more.
You look alright, look at me.
No, we need more. Yeah, neither of us are going to look particularly hot if we don't get this right.
But aromantic doesn't exist anymore. I don't know what we put in it, Tia. I can't remember the recipe.
You didn't write it down?
It's somewhere, but I don't think Patreon exists either.
For Christ, this future sucks. We need to figure this out.
I'm sure it was dimethicone. There must have been dimethicone.
Yeah, okay.
Dimethicone smooths out everything.
How much? Like
10.
10, okay. That's 10. 10.
Okay.
10 of those.
Rose water. I've heard that's good. There's still rose water. Use that.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll have like. Yeah.
Stir it. You must stir it.
Okay. Is this definitely right?
It has to be.
It has to be.
Aloe vera.
Yeah.
Aloe vera.
Yeah.
Something about pH.
It's not the right colour. There were extracts in this. Where are the extracts? Come on, they've got to be around here somewhere.
Extract.
That one. Yeah,
sure
extract. Yeah. Okay. How much?
12.
All right.
And
this doesn't look right. This isn't. It's not mixing properly. What have we done?
something about water.
Well.
Water!
It's
water! Water! We must recreate this.
We have to.
We must.
I've actually got to see humans in a couple of days. I can't look at them looking all old. If I age 100 years in 2 days, this is on you.
I gave you eternal youth this far. What more do you want from me?
More!
We just need to track down all of the patrons that had the recipe.
They're all dead.
They'll know. But, oh, did it not work for them?
Is this in date?
Nothing's soluble, it's fine. Right. This must be it. Pour it quickly.
100 years, right? This is all in date.
It'll be fine.
You wouldn't do me like that, would you?
No. That'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. This is the only one we've got. It's the only one left.
Put the lid on properly, don't. It's so precious. Who's going to try it first, you or me?
Me.
No, me. Me.